Everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be doing an unboxing for the spring mystery kits from softluxcompany.com, and I will go ahead and leave a link down below to these kits if they are still available. So there was three different colorways and it was a mystery of which one you would be given. So we have pink, purple, and green, and it has a spring vibe to it just because we're almost into spring. We just need those bright, sunny colors and new fun designs. So let's go ahead and open them up and see which each one has inside. The first one is the pink mix. And we have bead stoppers. Those are always handy. They did this, I think, either late last year in December or early January, and there was a difference between the green and purple. And they had bead stoppers in them as well, which is always nice. You can never have enough bead stoppers. You get one spool of soft flex wire, and this is in white quartz. And then our beads. See a lot of fun beads in here. I think I see a ceramic bead in there too. Oh, a little fish. How cute. Oh, awesome. So this stands out to me right away. And these are two hole beads, and they're a pastel pink, almost like an opal pink. Those are going to be really pretty for springtime, for Mother's Day. And then you get little ceramic fish. How cute are those? And you get four of those. To be cute for little earrings. Those are really cute. Let me get some findings. These are some beadwork findings that you can use with the delicas that are online at softluxcompany.com. So I will go ahead and leave a link down below because I believe you can still get the findings and then you can use them with the delicas on their website. You have these check glass here, little opals, like little pinch opals. Those crystals, they just sparkle. So look really pretty in between. We have these beautiful beads, and they have like a pinkish purple hue to them with little flowers. That would be really cute for the Valentine's Day event or cute for just upcoming spring season. So you have the bead strands, love these little fish. And then we have some square dells. And these are, looks like a rose crystal, and you get 6 of those. And I think they're about an 8 millimeter. So you could put some cube beads in there or even some 10 millimeter rounds. Just look how much those sparkle. Those are just gorgeous. And then we have a button. How pretty. Just look at the sparkle on that. So that's really cute. You can use this as a clasp or as a pendant. Maybe even kind of put it in here. Maybe do like a little pendant or something with it on there. Really cute. So that is the pink mix. Next, we have the green mix. And I see fluorite soft flex in here. That is one of my top 5 colors. Absolutely love fluorite. Matches the bead mat. So here's soft flex. We have more bead stoppers. So no matter what kit you get, you're going to get a mix of beads, some bead stoppers, and a spool of soft wax. Oh, pretty. I see check glass. Oh, those are really pretty ceramic beads in there. How pretty. So let's see what we get in this mix. Oh, that's a gorgeous pendant. It's got a butterfly on it. So we have more of the square dells, and these are in the emerald. Pretty that looks with that pendant. Just love the butterfly. Everyone that knows me knows, but I love butterflies. They have a special meaning for me. We have some more of these beadwork findings, and they're in the little eyes. Kristen recently did a live with them with, I believe, rose quartz and then some check glass beads as a necklace. So those are fun. These are really cool, these check glass. They're Got a little bit of that fluorite color, just like a little speckle in there, and then they're kind of like a purplish gray. Those are really neat. These are about 8 millimeter. These beads are gorgeous. Ceramic beads. Just look how pretty, how it all just fits together. Works perfectly. And then of course with your soft flex wire as well. How pretty is that? But these are just gorgeous. And then you get 7 of them, and they have a really large hole. So you could maybe put some silver silk through it or some leather. And we have these beads. These kind of remind me of the ones I believe they were in the Wonderland kit last year, early last year. These are just pretty. They're little ovals. They're blue, yellow, and green. And then you have these beads here. Love the color. See, those just pair great together. That would be good for an illusion style necklace, and then pair it with the soft flex fluorite. Oh, pretty. See, every time you open up a bead kit or a bead mix and you're already designing, I like those together for a project. Those are so pretty. And then with the little crystals and the ceramics, then maybe put a gemstone in there. How pretty. And then this would be a pattern. And then we'll just have the little eyes separate. So that is your green mix. Last but not least, we have our purple mix. So for the purple mix, we have 1 spool of dark lapis. This is pretty. Sometimes it has like a little metallic color to it as well. Kind of see that on the camera. So dark lapis, bead stoppers. Oh, purple, my favorite color. Oh, I see some. Oh, pretty, pretty. Some cut glass in here. These are beautiful. I would love to pair that with some amethyst or even some rose quartz or like some pink crystals with an AB finish just to get the sparkle on it. How pretty. They're like little swirls inside. Those are neat. Then we have a button. That's really cool. That almost could have fit in the Deco the Halls design kit earlier this year. We get some more beadwork findings. I really like how each kit has some beadwork findings in there. So you can kind of try some bead weaving or just try a new product. So those are the gold stars, and these are really fun to design with. Made some Christmas ornaments with them last year. Then we have amethyst with the gold. How pretty. Just that pop of sparkle. So gorgeous. We have ceramic beads. These are ceramic. Yeah, these are ceramic. They're very lightweight, even for ceramic. And they have a really large hole on there. You can see they're on a yarn. So that would be cool to maybe do like a crisscross pattern on it. Let some of the soft flex wire show. And then we have the oval beads. I really like the oval beads in these. So pretty. Oval beads. So pretty with the flowers. I really like the oval beads. So this is our purple mix. These are so fun. So these are our mystery mixes. Don't make you pick a favorite because they're all wonderful. Comment down below which one your favorite is, if you have one, or what you thought of these kits, or if you're planning on buying them.